me see. All right, we are live. Or I'm live. You're muted, Chris. Bro, you don't want to be on my stream anyways. Bro. I don't like you. Bro. Keep saying that and I'll goon on you. I'm gonna take a what loss? 20? What do you mean, $20? What? You $20? I'd be fine with that, considering I risk 500. All right, chat. I'm gonna do higher time frame analysis right now. Ooh, nice SMT at the highs, though that was overnight. Let me draw that out. All right, let me turn that off. All right, there we go. So I am bearish because we inversed this right here to the downside. So I'm looking for shorts here. We're not looking for shorts, but I'm just bearish. On the 15-minute, do we inverse it to the upside? No, this 15-minute is holding, or as of right now, it's holding. And this other 15-minute right here is not closed above yet. So again, I think we are going to go down, but we just got to wait for a setup. Let me see ES. ES is not closed above this either. So I'm definitely bearish right now. This could be a setup. Damn. I didn't know you needed that. All right, let's see. No entry there. Sorry guys, my camera's off. But I don't think I'm gonna run camera today. Ooh, we do have SMT at those highs as well. All right, let's see if our entry gets invalidated here. Hopefully not. So really close break even here. So All right, so could pull back to this 2 minute. Don't really want to see that. All right, so could put in a 1 minute OB here. 2 minute inverse. 30 second. Oh, 30 second did not inverse. So watching for SMT here. Though highly doubt we're gonna have SMT here. Does not look like that wants to make an SMT. Because this is way farther above than this one. Yeah, I'm bearish. I'm looking for these equal lows right now. All right, so boom. There would be stop at break even. So my stop is at break even there. This fair value gap could reject, which is again why I'm moving stop at break even there. So we just tapped into that lower 3 minute there. If you guys are in this with me, make sure you guys do move your stop to break even. If we are gonna go down, hopefully we go down now, but yeah, if you guys are in this with me, make sure you guys move your stop to break even, because there is these bullish fair value gaps down here that you don't really want to take a chance on. So my partial is at 1R, so has not hit partial yet. And then my full TP is at these lows, at this equal low down here. Let me mark them out real quick. I'll move my chart over actually, because stop is at break even. So again, I have it 2 ticks below break even just to make it cover for fees. And commission. So really close to that partial. Come on. There we go. So that's partial take profit there. How long do we have till market open? We still have 12 minutes till market open. Hopefully we run this low. 5 minute is not inverse. 5 minutes gonna inverse. Oh, that's before market open still, so that's not bad. Yeah, so now all really have to do is wait. Stop is a break even. We've taken partials. Nothing really much we can say here. Just gotta wait. These equal lows are such a good target. Okay. Again, don't want to see a stop here. I mean, we have equal lows, so mark that out. Only two because of my stop loss size. I risk the same amount, Halo, for every trade. I'm on TPT. This is my main one. Always TPT. How much is an account? Right now they're $100, like 100. I'm pretty sure with the discount, but they're also no activation fee, which is really nice because activation fee, like Apex activation fee is 160. TPT is 130 for the activation fee, but since it's no activation right now, you don't have to pay for it. They were doing a 50% discount, but they had activation fees with that. But I like how they do like same day payouts and stuff better than most other companies. Again, I don't want to see a stop here. I'm gonna check for SMTs actually. Okay, so no SMTs right now. What low would it be? It'd be this low right here. That's not really low, but that's the same candle. So no SMTs. Not yet. This is a new one. Or not new anymore, but I have before, just not TPT. TPT has better payout rules. So I switched right now. But that's my right now 390. But if this hits, it'll be more. I want this to hit. We have equal lows. Come on. Check for SMT. No SMT. Don't really have any reason not to hit this, so. Oh, where's my thing? Alright, there we go. Alright. Don't really want to leave these equal lows. Come on. Got all these equal lows. But we have these ones, but I don't want to target that. This is 1.7, which is good enough for me. What would that be to target? That's just, I don't know. I feel like that's just being a little greedy. This is the external liquidity of this leg, and it has equal lows, so no reason for me to target past it. Come on. Oh, come on, bro. Half a point away, bro. Come on. Half a point is crazy, bro. Why is it just stalling here? No, I did not lose 20 bucks. No. It's toying with me, bro. It's about to hit. Okay, there we go. All right, it hit. No, for your information, I made 700 or 650, something like that. All right. So it could hit these equal lows below, but I don't know. Not really counting on it. All right. I'm gonna draw this out real quick. SMT. Do we have any delivery? I'm not gonna lie, I did not check for delivery here. Delivery off the 15-minute. We have a higher time frame SMT as well, but I'm not gonna draw that out. 15-minute FVG, SMT at the highs, iFVG. Okay, boom. All right. All right. Equal lows, targeted, boom. All right. What'd you say? Why not? I want to worry about it. I would understand. Don't worry. You can talk to me. You can talk to me. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna send that trade to the Discord, guys. All right. All right. So that's not bad. Maybe these equal lows below hit. Maybe they don't. I don't really care. I wasn't gonna be greedy target that's outside of our external, so wasn't really looking for that. I might be done for the day now. Let me see. What do we have? I'm definitely gonna wait for market open now. I wouldn't take any trades until market open. We're too low to short. And let me switch charts. We're too low for shorts, and yeah, bearish target still has not hit. This one could be the new bearish target, or the new sell side. I don't know what we want to hit, but we'll have to see if we get anything else today. So the external on here, on this hourly, would be this one here. And the external on this hourly that we'd be looking for would be here. Now, 15-minute wise, this held, open above doesn't count. Okay, now this 15-minute on ES could be a problem. But yeah, we're just gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. Again, I don't really care what happens now. Okay, so we did hit those equal lows. Could have targeted that. What would that risk reward be? 2.5. Oh, that would have been really good. That would have been really good profit. 2.5 risk reward, but I wasn't gonna get greedy, so seems like that might have been the draw. It touched that and just reversed off of it. That's good momentum off of it. So it is dumping right now. Could go all the way down to these lows. I'm honestly lucky that we didn't get stopped at. Ow. I'm honestly lucky we didn't get stopped at break even. I don't know where my entry was. I think it was like right. It was wherever made it 1.7R. Might have been right. I think it was right there. Cause I got it on that pullback a little bit. So, all right. That would have been for that low would have been not 2.5. It would have been 2.3. Not as big of a difference as I thought. Thought the iFVG was too small. This one, Halo, compare that to the candles next to it, bro. That one's huge compared to all the candles next to it. I don't do it based on candles fair value gap size. So this one's 5 points, right? I don't really base it on that because if I go to in New York session, right? So if I go to here in New York session, like I'll even choose like one that looks pretty small. This one's 5 points, but I would never take one this like compared to the candles next to it. It just looks tiny, you know. Like one like this looks better because there's more volume, so the candles are just gonna be bigger. So, and that one's 15 points. So you kind of you have to do it like it's like relative towards the candles near it. You know what I'm saying? Higher time frames are probably gonna have a lot bigger fair value gaps than lower time frames. Just depends on time frame. Depends on like payout rules with TPT. You can request whenever you want once you're unfunded. You could get funded and take one winning trade for $500 profit and just request the 500. I think. Wait, no, actually, I think they made like a buffer rule. I think you have to make a buffer now. Wait, let me check real quick. It used to be like that. I think you have to have a buffer. Um, Withdrawal process immediate. We're actually really lucky that wasn't a break even trade. Like, I was really confident in that trade, but I thought it was just gonna be break even just because of how close break even was in comparison to partials and take profit. Let me see. I'm trying to see where their take profit trader payout rules. Withdrawal rules. Okay. Okay, you have to have a $2,000 buffer. Wait. It says you recommend. Okay. It says if you have a $50,000 account, your maximum drawdown or buffer zone is 2,000. In this case, you need to reach a balance of 52,000 in order to withdraw 80% total profit. We recommend. Okay, so if you have a $52,000 balance, you can withdraw 1K of it. And then after 60 days, you can withdraw 80%. But they recommend keeping at least the 2,000. So you would have to make 2,000 on your first trade in order to withdraw. Do you get what I'm saying? Oh, there we go. Market open. Um, do you get what I'm saying? Wait, I gotta get off their page real quick. Cause it says please note 60 it is 60 trading days. The last day in your trading day being your pro account. Profits taken inside. Oh yeah. Okay. So any days. Okay. There we go. We finally hit sell side or on the 15-minute anyways. Hourly still looking for lower. So if we were to sweep this hourly here, I would look for longs. But until then, um, yeah. Big SMT at the lows. But we don't really have anything to keep us from going down here. No 5 minutes. Like this 5 minutes inverse. Damn, 5 minute inverse and then rejected. That's weird. But we don't have anything holding us up here. Maybe the SMT. But yeah. You bought the CME live data for trading view. What do you mean? Wait, Halo, what's IC? IC. Um oh, I know what you mean. IC. Like okay. I just bought the CME live data for trading view, but it's saying I can't trade NQM 2025. Um did you just wait, Nicole, did you just get your account? And have you went into Tradeovate? Um, have you went into Tradeovate and turned on the Trading View like package or add-on? Yes, yesterday. The only time I've ever seen that is when I don't know. The only time I've ever seen that is when that's happened. Like whenever I don't know. NQM 2025. Does it say you can trade NQ like NQ1? Survey gap's just ginormous, bro. What the hell? This one could work. There's a lot of momentum in this, but probably gonna be break even. I'm not in this, by the way. There's just a horrible risk to reward. Bro, what? Targeting this high is not even 1R. That's crazy, bro. I want to see if we can stop the break even. Does it say you can trade NQ1? NQ1 exclamation mark. Yeah, it has to do with your account then. Oh, that one's to get stopped to break even. It has to do with something with your account. I don't know. Is it wait, what prop firm do you have it with? Because you might have to go onto your dashboard. I was gonna say go on your dashboard and see if it says it's activated or not. Fifteen-second long. 15-second long. This 15 seconds might work. Again, I'm not taking it too high to long here. And we just swept buy side. Or this buy side anyways. Not like major buy side, but was that 1R? If you have fast reflexes, you should have taken partials. If you have fast reflexes, you should have taken partials and moved stop to break even. And you would have been stopped at break even there as well. Top step. Does it say on your thing if it's activated or not, like your account? Because sometimes you can log in and maybe it's not like. Wait, when did you buy it? You said yesterday. You connected everything yesterday. I've never had a problem with Top Step. Okay, the SMT seems to be holding us up here, as well as the sweep. See ya. Yo, Chris, what do you think about this? Wait, I gotta find something. Also, I'm not looking for longs this high. And we did just sweep a form of sell side. We swept the 15 minutes, so I don't know if I want to look for shorts. And I'm already green on the day, so I don't want to. I don't want to rush into another trade. You know. What? But no way this is a GIF, bro. Yo, no way that's a GIF. Look what I say. No way that's a GIF though. That's crazy. Oh, this. Yo, 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 yo. This. This is it, bro. Yo. You see? Look what I sent you. That's it. Really? You agree with me? How's my account looking like now? Oh, wait, wrong one. This is a new one. I started it yesterday. My other one was in drawdown, so I just started a new one. But whenever my account gets like one trade in drawdown, I just give up because then if I win a trade, it's barely gonna be like in profit. So I just start a new account. I just start a new account. Like the second I'm one trade in drawdown, I give up on my account. Nicole, are you in the Discord? Send like a screenshot. I don't because it said that for me before, but like after 1 minute short. Are we delivering from anything? I mean, we just swept sell side, so I don't really want to short. I mean, not saying it won't work. Copy trade? No, I don't copy trade. Once I get multiple fundeds, I'd copy trade. Let me see. Probably be 80 tick stop. Partial could be at this low. Full TP all the way at this. SMT. We do have SMTs. You said delivering from the 5 minute. They're not bad. We don't have a sweep of any good liquidity. That's why I liked this one. We had a good sweep. We do have a little sweep of this, I guess. I'll paper trade this. Or should I take this on my other one? I don't really want to do that one. I don't really want to do that though. Do we have a 2 minute here? No 2 minute. 30-second. Guess if the 30-second closes below. Okay, 30-second didn't close. 1 minute did. Or no, 1 minute did not yet. So if this 30-second closes below simultaneously with the 1 minute, then it wouldn't be as bad. So 30-second did not close below. 1 minute did not close below either. I don't really like the way that that candle closed. Again, I don't really want to rush into a trade here. And this to me doesn't it doesn't look as good as that last trade did. Delivery, SMT, look good liquidity sweep of this high here. It's bigger high from the left. But not saying it won't work. Let's see. I could take this on that one account that is like in drawdown. Oh, rejected again. That 30 seconds holding up very, very nicely. So I don't really know how much I like this. The 30 seconds holding up very, very well. And it's also targeting a low that already took out another low. That's why I don't like it. That's why I was just thinking about paper trading it. But yeah, we just swept out this low, and normally shorting right after taking out that low is not like the best type of thing, especially all the way down here. Like it would have been different if we got it up here, but we'll see. I'll paper trade it if we or we already no we didn't get the 30-second close or the 1 minute, so I'll paper trade this. One contract all the way to these lows. Break even. Let's see. I just sent it. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's what it says for me. Trading view. Maybe try to log out and log back in. Oh, damn. That's unfortunate. Invalid. I mean, if you don't consider this your break even, it would still be valid for you, but I would have considered that my break even. I just don't want to be held responsible if this ends up working, and to me it's invalid. And someone says, "Oh, I missed it because you said it's invalid." But to me, it's invalid. If you still consider your break even here, then it's not invalid. But to me, my break even would have been here, so it's invalid. Wait, yo, you actually messed with that? What I sent you? All right, so now if your break even was here, go ahead and move your stops to break even. But I mean, the risk reward's horrible. The risk reward is crazy unless you entered on the 30-second. It could be 1R to this. If you got a good fill, it could be 1R. But yeah, if you took this in any way, shape, or form, stop should 100% be a break even here. So if you took it on the 1 minute, you'd be stopped at break even there. And let's see if it's the break even for 30-second entry. Again, I did not take this. I'm just watching it. You mess with that? All right, so if you took that 30-second, you would not be stopped out, and you would just hit. I would have done full TB there because that is the higher time frame liquidity. Yeah, if you guys don't see any reason to target lower, there's no price has no reason to go lower here. But yeah, I knew we were gonna hit that. Just wanted to know when, and yeah, I didn't catch a move all the way down, and if I did, I would have gotten stopped at break even anyways. If I was targeting these lows with a runner. You messed with this scene. You messed with this scene. No, bruh. You don't see it the same way I see it. That's what I'm saying. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I do. I'm not in. I took the 30-second win. Nice. I logged out a few times. Still can't trade them. I don't know. Contact Top Step. See. I don't know. Does it let you do it on Tradeovate? Maybe you have to execute on Tradeovate until it updates. I would definitely recommend emailing Top Step. No way you didn't like that, bro. Bro, I didn't know this was your favorite character. Was that not your favorite character? All right. So could get a 10 o'clock reversal here. So really gonna look for. I'm not gonna take any of these here because after a big move like this, how big was this move? Almost 100 points. It wasn't a full 100 points, but almost 100 points. So I would want to see some structure for him first. First 10 a.m. reversal, maybe like this. We only have until 10:10 for this break even for you. Nice setup. I'm assuming you took the 1 minute. The only reason I wouldn't like this 1 minute would be because I mean, yeah, we formed an order block. Only problem is it closed so far down, so like the probability of break even on the 1 minute was just very high. And I personally wasn't gonna take 30-second without the 1 minute inversing. Though I mean, I guess with momentum like that, you could like get like you could like enter off intuition, but yeah, I was not I wasn't gonna do it, but yeah, this would be the best thing. Took 1 minute really late because it closed too far. Yeah, it did close really far, so you would have had to scale down for that 1 minute. Right here, something like this is what I would want to see here, or like let's say in the 30-second, we have more candles, so we could get maybe like boom, boom, run the liquidity, boom, all by 10 o'clock, something like that. This is exactly what I would look for, but again, that's just dream scenario. If we don't get that, we don't get that. But you just have to be ready for when we get something like that. You just have to know what you're looking for. So if we don't get what I'm looking for, then I don't take a trade. That's it. Bro, what did you just send me? I don't want to see a naked man eating, what is that? A sandwich? It's just with a pizza box. Why does he have a pizza box? Yo, wait. What about this character, bro? Oh, there we go. Bro. Yes. Okay, so this 30-second, not really what I wanted. It kind of having too much down momentum here. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of just seems like we're dumping. Um, yeah, that's just what it seems like to me. Um, it's not paying. It's two protein things. Okay, so we just swept this. Now, what low do we have here? Okay, so we do have an hourly for value gap here. Delivery from this hourly. We just swept another low. So to be honest, this 30-second does not seem as bad. It's a singular for value gap that we do have a little 1 minute there. If we don't inverse the 30-second on this exact candle, just pump through this, we're gonna make it 2 minute. So not really gonna look for it after that because we will have that 2 minute there. Bro, that character, you mess with that one? Bro, I know this was your favorite character. I know. I already said that. I know that was your favorite character, dude. Oh yeah, I already know. Bro, that's gotta be Nick's favorite character, bro. I'm calling him right now to ask him. Why is Apex activation why is Apex activation fee so expensive? Bro, I don't know. 160 is kind of crazy, but their accounts are really really cheap, so people like it because they can buy a bunch of them really cheap. Yo. You're lucky you didn't get a screenshot of that. Yo. Yo. Bro, is this your favorite character? Is that your favorite character? Yes or no? I'm asking Nick. Yes? Do you hear this? Do that again. Where do you hear this? Fuck. Chris, you hear this? Do it again. Bro. Bro, this Nick. Yo, okay. I don't think we're getting a 10 a.m. reversal here, guys. Yo, Nick, you said that on my stream. Now I have a clip of it on my stream, bro.
What? Oh.
Yo, okay, wait. I need your opinion on scenarios. Okay, what do you think about that character?
Niggas are all bad.
What about that one? Yo, you messed with this scenario?
Yeah.
You messed with this scenario?
Yeah.
Alright. What about this scenario?
Yeah.
But I showed him the Denji one. Yo, what is that emoji, bro? Alright, Nick, I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Enjoy your gym sesh with Josh.
Okay.
Alright, bro. I want to go with you guys sometime. I just can't go today. I'm sorry.
It's alright.
Alright, see you, bro.
Yeah.
Also, I like the new video. Good job.
Thank you.
See you. Alright. Barris AF. Yeah, bro. I don't know where we want to go now. As of right now, it seems like we're gonna go for this low. And oh crap. Yeah. It seems like we're gonna go for this low. Could get a long off of this low. Do we have delivery if we hit this low? Let me see. Gotta get rid of this. 4 hour is a little too high to look for delivery off of. If we're trading the 1 minute, you know. That's something that's another thing I learned recently. They have this 5 minute failed, but that 5 minutes filled. So no delivery if we sweep this. No structure above either. So looking for the 10 a.m. reversal, we only have another like 5 or 10 minutes to really get this 10 a.m. reversal. Bro, reverse curse technique. What are you talking about, bro? All right, bro. All right, I'm gonna keep asking you if these characters are your favorite, okay? Bro, I forgot to ask him about the vampire, bro. That's the whole reason I called him. Bro, I didn't even know this one had a name. Oh, a lot of these don't even have pictures because they're from the book. You heard me? Bro, this one I can't find a gif of. Bro, what anime is that from? Alright, I need to watch that. Yo, I can't find it. It's the very, very first one that they fought at that house. You know what I'm talking about, right? The very, very first one that they fought inside of that like building. No, 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 no. The really, really, really tall one that was shooting laser beams. I was so confused. I was so bro. As soon as I got on that, I called Nick and screen shared. I was like, bro, look at this. What are you? Yeah. But what are you talking about, bro? All right, bro. I do know what you're talking about, but why are you describing it like that? All right, so bro, shut up. We don't really have any structure for me here. Seems like we might be getting this 10 a.m. reversal, but if we get no setup, we get no setup. So even if we get like a confirmation setup, wouldn't be bad. But again, I'd prefer like we had already made some form of like structure above here, and now be getting our setup. But hey, that macro really did wonders, bro. That macro ran all the liquidity, bro, except for this last one down here. Yo, what about this character? I feel like that character is underrated. Yeah. Bro, these are your favorite characters. These are your favorite characters. Ah, there's no gif of this character. Oh, you like this one. I already know you like this one. Oh, I can't find anything. Oh, I finally figured out. Yeah, I don't. I can't tell for getting the this reversal. Um, what is PDL? Perco. I'm gonna go put my water. Yo, Chris, rate that character. You told me, bro. Billy Dicky better be. Let's go. Lambo Troca SRT. Let's go. Caught a nice short at market open. Where's market open? Right here. Ian texted you. Why would Ian text you, bro? He don't like you. No, I'm just kidding. Would you take Jado? Previous day low. Short at market open. What's previous day low? Of course I don't have my thing on. Add me to the call, you bum. No, thank you. No, thank you. So you took. Wait. How big was your stop loss, bro? Market open. Entry. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm on the 15-minute or 5-minute. You shorted here. That's market open. So stop loss had to have been above this. Maybe at this swing high. I'm guessing. Targeting here. Something like that. What were your reasons for entering? Like I just want to know your confluences at 9:40. We rejected the FVG. Oh, okay, so not a market open, a little bit after. You're talking about 9:40 right here. We rejected, what was it, the 5-minute? Yeah. I took a short right there as well. Or wait, no, I didn't. I was looking for that 1 minute, but we rejected it and then got a horrible close, so I didn't take it. Yeah. That's not bad. I don't trade just rejecting the fair value gaps like that, but yeah. 4-hour bearish. Yeah, we didn't tap the 4-hour bearish. Wait. Oh, this. We didn't form that. That's not a fair value gap yet, though, because this candle wasn't closed. It's not considered an imbalance yet. Oh, you're talking about like, are you talking about this? I wouldn't count this because we already inversed it. We took out buy side. I would consider the confluence as more of sweeping that buy side on the higher time frame with that higher time frame SMT, and protecting this. Now I was looking for something off of that reject. I just never got my entry. But yeah, I mean it won, so good trade, bro. I'm probably done for the day if we don't get anything good here. I mean it's too late for the 10 a.m. reversal, so I took my win earlier, and now I'm just waiting to see like if we get anything. I don't want to take this for value gap. It looks really small, and we haven't swept this, so I didn't want to talk to you, Ian. I'm just kidding. Looking for a retest of OB, but we're super bearish. Yeah. Well, we're way too low for shorts now, and no good long setups here. So Bro, Ian, I don't have a course, bro. Guys, that's my friend. I'm in a Discord call right now. He's trolling. I don't have a course. Yes, I don't have a course, bro. I don't even consider myself good enough to. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't. I don't have a course. Oh, and that 30-second failed. I hope nobody took that, bro. Only $300 a minute, bro, to learn for me, bro. bro, bro. Yes, I did, Ian. Check my Discord server. You were watching my stream. Oh, my webcam just isn't on because I'm sitting here in my underwear right now. Bro, I wasn't gonna say that on stream. No, so I ended up saying it. I was too, bro. My clothes are in the dryer, dude. Oh, Chris knows about that, bro. I would show up at school and show him my new video. Yeah, bro. All right, so we do have this 30-second. This 30-second does look a lot better. I might take this on paper. All right, so if I take this, break even and partial will be right here. Again, I'm only paper trading this if I take this. I want this sell side to hit first. Bro, I'm the richest I just saw it. Shut up, bro. Bro, I'm the richest trader in the world, bro. Bro, I'm richer than TJR, bro. I'm richer than TJR. Yo, Ian, what do you think about Lambo Trucker SRT? Let's go. My trade Zella? Alright, I'll show you my trade Zella. Wait. No, actually, I don't only journal the wins. Okay, we could put in an order block here that would make this trade better, but it still doesn't change my mind that I want to hit this low. So this would only be a paper trade. Bro, I'm waiting for it to update with today's trade, bro. Oh, we're okay. I'm in there on paper. I'm not actually taking this, guys. I'm not actually taking this. Only on paper. You can take it if you want, but I'm only taking this on paper because I want this sell side to hit. Again, this trade could still work. Seems like it is working, but play Mojo Jojo and listen to like only the first 30 seconds. Bro, you don't like hearing Kendrick say just like that, Cardi, over and over in a very zesty way. You don't like listening to that? Bro, Different Day is not a song that you want to use to make someone a Cardi fan. It is now. It is now. It used to not be on Spotify. It was only on his Instagram, but now it's on Spotify. It's music. Sorry for the wait. Oh, uh, uh. Good thing I only took that on paper. Guys, I will prove I only took that on paper. I'll prove right now I only took that on paper. I'm pulling up my thing right now. Shut up, bro. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. So look. So look, this was the trade from earlier, and not 6 a.m. Six, bro. Oh my gosh. You mean like 3 p.m.? That's when the first show is. So yeah, no trade here. You can see the executions from up there. So executions are. Yeah. Okay, we just took out south side. Look, that trade failed because I knew we were gonna hit south side there, and yeah, I wanted south side to hit first, and that's why I didn't take that. And oh my gosh, bro, I'm gonna crash out on you, bro. Yo, Ian, yo, Ian, yo, Ian. Just so you know, this is his favorite character from this anime. She's a freshman in high school. This is his favorite character. Bro, her character development was horrible, though. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, yo, Ian, look at this fight scene. All right, guys. Looking to see if we get a long up of here. Just swept the south side here. Don't really have anything. Yeah, no setups there. So unfortunately, don't really have anything to enter on. Les, you want to enter on this 30-second, but the 30-second already failed. Yo, Ian, look at the GIF I sent. The most recent one. The fight scene. You saw the fight scene? I'll admit. Bro, yo, that's even worse. That's a middle schooler. All right. Bro. Bro, my real favorite character, bro, was this character, bro. There is a fair value gap. Bro, I don't like the new animation style though. If they make a new season, they have to make it with the old animation style. Bro, if it actually takes them 7 years to make a new season, they better do the old animation style. Yo, Ian. Wait, wait. Wait, give me a second. All right, guys, let's see if we get something here. It doesn't seem like we are. Seems like price is just gonna keep dumping. Okay, bro. You're gonna fill my fair value gap. I'm watching, bro. I'm watching the charts, bro. Because there's nothing to look at right now. What is this? Is this a data low? Because I'm looking to see if we do get something. Bro, stop asking me stupid questions. Because there's no setups right now. I'm waiting to see if we get anything. Yo, I showed him the show I'm watching, bro. This is his favorite character. Is that not your favorite character? Wait, bro. This is his favorite character from He'll tell you. He'll tell you. Don't worry. No, this one. It's your favorite character, right? Oh wait, I'm gonna show my trade Zella. But there's two versions of her. Yeah. All right, I'll show my trade Zella. Ian, you looking? This is this month's trade Zella. This is this month's trade Zella so far. I forgot to do anything on the first week. I'm not gonna lie. I can't remember if there were wins or losses. What? This one? Bro, I didn't even journal anything, bro. I'm not gonna look. I didn't. Oh, I don't even want to go to my. I don't even want to go to my February, bro. Yo, yo, my February was so bad, bro. But look, I didn't journal anything this week, or this first half of this week, or the second half of this week. I'm not gonna lie, I was slacking. I was slacking this last week. I wasn't even really paying attention. And then this week, I wasn't even paying attention enough to where I wasn't journaling. And then part of this week, I didn't journal. But doing good this month, bro. Doing good this month. I'm up on the month, so. I don't want you to call me that, bro. Not from you. So are you, bro. You would dress up as an e-girl, bro. Bro. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I might just be done here. I mean, I've caught my trade. Price is just dumping right now. Ask my chat what, bro. I'm not asking them that. I'm not asking them that. Oh, TJR would ask them that. You're right, but TJR would ask them that. All right, bro. Oh, that's why I'm not profitable and TJR is. Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. Yo, Ian, did you see Nick's new YouTube video? You should go watch it, bro. Explosive back day shots. Oh, I thought it said explosive back shots. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, he actually did an edit this time for his YouTube video, bro, and then did a workout video. He didn't just do like nothing. All right, chat. All right, chat. I'm gonna ask chat like TJR would do because that's why I'm not profitable, bro. That's what you told me to do, but you were like TJR would do it, and now you're talking trash. Shut up. All right, chat. All right, we got 10 people in here. We got 10 people in here. Oh, now 9. For $1 million, chat. Oh wait, is everyone in here guys? There was a girl in here earlier. If everyone in here that is a guy would you dress up as a femboy for $1 million? Wait, bro. Okay. Listen, Ian. No, wait. There has to be here. I'm gonna unmute you from stream. I'm gonna let stream hear you. Wait. All right.
Can I do it more than
I unmuted you on stream. Now my stream can hear you. All right. What are the rules? Right. Listen. You have to think about this. You have to ask the real questions. Are other people gonna see me? Am I going in public? How long do I have to wear it? All of these, Ian, answer those. And that would determine.
That's why I feel like the more simple question is just the action of getting pegged to ask for $1 million.
Bro, yo, how did we switch topics?
Bro, because that was the original question.
that was the original.
But like it's like a normal day. Like you wake up one day, and
Yeah.
you have to do the same stuff you would normally do every day, but you have to do, like dress up like that.
Like for a whole day.
Yep.
Oh,
You're working
so
out.
I would have to go to the gym and be like, I would have to go to the gym and like a skirt and like, oh.
You never see that guy on TikTok that does like the.
I have. How much do I risk on my 50K? Hey, shut up. Yo, shut up for a second. Someone has to ask you a question. How much do you risk on your 50K eval funded? I do 500. It's all up to how much you personally want to risk. It's however much you're willing to lose. Cause don't think about winning. Think about like if you were to take a loss, would you be fine with losing that much? But yeah, it's all up to how much you want to risk. But anyways, go back to your conditions.
Oh no, that's it. Yes or no?
So I'd have to go to the gym. What would I wear to the gym? Would I have to wear a skirt to the gym, or would it be like I would switch into like leggings and like a sports
I'll find a
bra?
picture. Hold on.
Bro, leggings and a sports bra, bro. I would go crazy in in leggings and a sports bra, bro. Bro, what?
This.
Let me see.
Yeah, that.
Oh no, that's so hard.
It's easy money, bro.
Bro, did you say it's so hard?
Are you hard right
No,
now?
my-
You looking at fanboys?
My decision would be hard, bro. That's a little crazy. That's like a full made. That's like a full made thing, bro. That's not just like a skirt and like, But for
You
a
get
million,
another- hey,
for
you get
one
another
for
million
one
if a
M,
guy hits on you.
another million if a guy hits on me, bro. That shouldn't be a problem, bro. I've had guys hit on me before.
Bro.
But happened at work, bro. It's weird, bro. It makes me very uncomfortable.
it?
No, bro, it makes me very uncomfortable.
Would you wear a fursuit for a month out in public for 10 million?
Yes, I would. Bro, I would wear a fursuit every day outside in public for 100 grand, bro.
But you wouldn't
Are
dress
you a
up as a
furry?
boy for $1 million?
I would do the femboy for $1 million.
Okay.
I can't trade today until 6 p.m. because I purchased the account after 3:10 p.m. yesterday. Oh, okay. At least you know what's wrong, so that means you can trade it tomorrow.
Trade on Asia sessions.
Bro, nobody trades Asia session.
The Asian people do.
No.
Really?
What? No, they don't. Bro, even the people that live in like the UK don't trade London session. They trade New York session. My friend stays up for or I don't think it's that late for him. It's like 5 p.m. when he trades at 4 p.m.
I feel like that's the equivalent of like gambling on like ping pong at like 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Like,
Yeah, that's
bro,
a good
you know,
idea.
bro, I have some people that I work with that are like degenerate sports bettors,
It's half.
and obviously when
for
there's
me
no
right
like
now.
basketball games, at like
What do you mean half 2 for me? Perco trades. What do you mean have to? Oh. What does that mean? 2:30?
Yeah, 2:30.
He didn't say half past 2. That bro.
Shit.
In the UK they use like some like stupid version of English.
Oh yeah, or it could be 1:30.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, 2:30.
The album gonna drop tomorrow. Not 2 days.
Oh wait, let me see. I want to find more gifts.
Bro, you should
What?
dress up as a femboy for stream one day.
No, bro.
Why?
It should be if you like.
But Ian, this is the
it's
anime I'm
really
watching right
cool, you
now.
have to do something.
Yo, Ian, this is the anime I'm watching right now.
What is it? That's weird, bro.
I'm reporting that.
Bro,
I don't like it.
you know that girl in the blue hair on the right is the girl in the purple hair's sister? Bro, it's weird, bro. I like sometimes I just have to,
Watching this?
bro, because the story's good.
It's not good. Fuck you mean it's not good.
You haven't even watched it, bro.
Story is not good.
Bro, those are like elementary schoolers, bro. You're weird.
That's not an elementary school,
Dad, you
bro.
hear this?
That is not an elementary schooler, bro. They're like seniors, bro. So they're like 18, bro.
Bro, that
What, bro? Were you not 18 when you were a senior?
20 years old talking about, bro.
Bro, also wait, no, wait a second, bro. I don't like seniors, bro. My girlfriend's older than me. Anyways, bro, 90% of the time, bro, animes are like high school, bro.
What did I just find? Oh, I'm saving that.
Bro, how did you how did you find that?
Oh, I don't even know.
I don't know if we're gonna get this 5-minute long here, guys. 50 seconds for this candle to close. Oh, good thing I'm logged in on paper. Oh, wait, never mind. This is the right one. Okay, never mind. My regular one's over here. Okay, good. I thought I was on the wrong tab for a second, and I was confused.
After a game and such,
Bro.
Mike Urban Trout.
Check the lower time frame. Let's see what's going on here. Still
Mike
nothing.
Urban Trout is like
Too low to short and
player.
no good long setups here, so. Alright guys, I'm gonna be done with stream for today. Might be appreciate this long setup if we get it, but yeah, I'm gonna be done with stream for today. Hope you guys enjoyed those wins we got today. Hopefully we can keep it going on throughout the rest of the week. So alright guys. I'll see you guys later.